After completing this lesson, you will be able to understand the audit tool and compact the central file. The objective domains covered are 5.6b, understand and use the audit and compact tools. The audit tool is used to maintain Revit model health or to open and fix a model that ordinarily does not open. It is recommended to perform an audit periodically and for the reasons stated below: when upgrading a Revit model, when elements have become corrupt, or if the model is over 1 GB or greater than 1/20th of your available RAM. Central models can become very large, especially if the model division or level of detail is not managed correctly. It is useful to periodically select compact file when performing a synchronization on a central file, as this will reduce the file size. To perform an audit on a Revit file, the file cannot currently be open. So you need to close down the file and then select Open. In the Open dialog box, you can then select the Audit option. You'll then be warned that the audit could take a long time, so it's recommended to do this at the end of the working day. The dialog box also informs us that we should be auditing on a regular basis. It's recommended doing this weekly, especially when you have large models or corrupt files. So let's go ahead and select Yes, and we can then pick the model we'd like to audit. Now, when you audit a model, you won't get a report on the health of the model. It will simply just open it and then attempt to repair any corrupt files or problems. Also, you may find that it reduces the file size. Let's go ahead and select Open here. So the model's now opened up and been audited. As I've said, you won't receive a report on any issues here. Now, if the audit fails and you still can't recover a Revit model, then the next step is to go ahead and look at the journal file. So the journal file may indicate families that have been corrupt, and you can then get the element ID and search for that element ID and then delete the families that are causing corruption. You can then try and run the audit process again. Here, I now have a central file open, and what I'd like to do here is compact the central file. It's useful to do this periodically, which will reduce the central file size. To do this, select the Collaborate ribbon and click Synchronize with Central. You can then go ahead and select Compact Central Model, but as indicated here, you can see that the synchronization and save will be much slower, but it will compact and reduce the file size of the central model. You can then go ahead and select OK. If you wanted to be able to compare file sizes and find out when the compaction happened, we could just simply type in here for the comment, compact central model, and then click OK. Okay, so the central file is now saved and been compacted.